Here's a quick guide to managing accounting in Zoho Books. Start by navigating to the Account tab and selecting Chart of Accounts. This is the backbone of your financial system, letting you organize all your business accounts. Click Plus New Account to add accounts for assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Each account helps track transactions accurately for your financial statements. For more detailed tracking, create sub-accounts under main categories like utilities, rent, and office supplies under expenses. Think of these as smaller folders inside your financial filing system, making it easy to monitor and manage every detail. By setting up accounts and sub-accounts correctly, you ensure precise records, better reporting, and smoother budgeting and forecasting. Mastering these steps gives you a strong foundation to handle your business finances efficiently in Zoho Books.